Greetings to you all. Welcome to Class 7 English Workbook Bridge Course Material. Dear children, today we are going to solve Worksheet 6, Unit 3, Grammar, Preposition. So dear children, let us deal. You can watch but do not copy it. Just like that, you can write in your own words. Fine children? Okay. First one, shade the preposition. So you have a few stars over there twinkling in your notebook, right? So in each star, there is a word. Now let us check whether they are preposition. So here first star, let us go from left hand side 1 to 3, then middle, then right hand side 1 to 3, okay? So with, is it a preposition? Yes. Above, mele, upon preposition. Was, so that is not a preposition. Will, not a preposition. Now, not a preposition. Beside, it is a preposition. Among, preposition. Fine children? So these things you can shade in your own interesting color. Fine children. Next, moving on to second question. Pick out the prepositions in the following passage. So here a passage is there, you have to pick up. Joy wakes up early on the first day of school. She is very excited to go to school. So here one going, it is not there, I believe. All right. She puts all her things in the new school bag. She takes her new school bag to school. Thereafter, she starts to school by bus at 8 o'clock. She is happy to see her friends in the classroom. She sits near her friend on the bench beside the board. Fine children, now you have to pick up the prepositions. Prepositions naka or position kaamikkirathu. Mele, keela, nearby, far, andha mari. Fine. Shall we start? Now let's pick up children. Up. First word, Joy wakes up. On. On the first directly on. Off school, so off. To go, panga to. Innoru to school. In the school, so in. Then to school, to. To school, to. By bus, so by. At 8 o'clock, so at. To see her friend, so to. In the classroom, so in. Near her friend, so near. On the bench, on. Beside the board, beside. So all these words are only preposition. Third question, look at the picture and fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions given in the box. So you can see the picture over here. And the படிச்சிருப்பீங்க one bear story, Kardi. Rendu boys irupanga, they will go to forest and a bear comes over there. And what happens, you know, one boy will run away. Okay, it means he will climb the tree and another boy doesn't know how to climb the tree. He just lays down just like that. And story that story only we are going to study. Alright children, in the box words are near, in, on, through, on. Okay, shall we start? Once two friends were traveling. Dash the forest. It means through the forest. Suddenly, they saw a large bear approaching them. One of the friends at once climbed a nearby tree, but the other one did not know how to climb. So he laid down on the ground, breathless, pretending to be a dead man. The bear came near the man lying on the ground. It thought he was dead and went away. Now the friend on the tree came down and asked his friend, "Friend, what did the bear tell you in your ears?" The other friend replied, "The bear advised me not to believe a false friend." So children, write the preposition in the blank. Fine children? Okay, very good. Fourth question, classify the prepositions in the following passage and write it in the appropriate columns. Okay. Yesterday, Rani went to a toy shop in the evening. The toy department was on the first floor. She saw many dolls in the corner rack, but she liked the Barbie doll in the box and brought it. She reached home at 9 p.m. Fine, children? Rani ponne, she went to department store and she saw so many dolls and she liked Barbie doll. Alright, now let us see preposition of time, preposition of place and preposition of position. Okay, இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னாக்கா ராணி went to a toy shop. அப்ப to toy shop போறாங்க. அப்ப அது என்னது? Preposition of place. Next one, in the evening. அது time குறிக்குது. So in the evening. The toy department was on first floor. On the first floor. அது position. எங்க இருக்குது? On. She saw many dolls in the corner rack. அப்போ அது வந்து position மறுபடியும். She liked the Barbie doll in the box. She saw many dolls in the corner rack. அது என்ன? Place in. Okay. Next one. But she liked the Barbie doll in the box. அப்போ position. உள்ள காமிக்குது. And brought it. She reached home at 9 p.m. அப்போ time காமிக்குது. So that is preposition of time. So time வந்து in, at, place, to, in, position, on, in. Fine, children? Okay. Moving on to fifth question. Complete the following sentences using suitable prepositions of time. So time use பண்ணி preposition. First one, Rahim is arriving dash. அப்போ இங்க you have the bracket words at, in, on. So Rahim is arriving on January 5th at 10 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, children? All right. Okay, next one. Sixth question. Fill in the blanks with suitable preposition of place or position. I was waiting for my friend. Dash her house. So you have the words under, on, in front of. So I was waiting for my friend in front of her house. After she came, we went to a shop which was beside the post office. சரியா? Between இன்னும் வராது. We walked dash the town. Between through into. We walked into the town. Fine, children? Moving on to seventh question. Read the substitution table and frame 3 sentences. I have already told you substitution table helps a lot to frame lot of sentences. So you can frame a few sentences. So the words are he is standing, the keys are, the clock is, the cat hides, like that. And prepositions are on, near, under, in. And you have the words the wall, a tree, the table, the car. Okay, he is standing near a tree. The keys are under the table. The clock is in the wall. The cat hides under the car. இது மட்டும் இல்லை, எது வேணாலும் எழுதிக்கலாம். சரியா? எது வேணாலும் எழுதிக்கலாம். நீ நல்லா யோசிச்சு கரெக்டாக மீனிங்ஃபுல்லாக எழுதணும். That's all. Fine, children. Eighth question. Spot the error in the following sentence and rewrite it correctly. இப்போ கரெக்டாக இப்போ ராங் இருக்குது, we have to write correctly. I have been waiting from 3 hours. கரெக்டாக அது எங்கேயோ இடிக்குதுல்ல. I have been waiting for 3 hours. Okay? Fine. So instead of from, you should use for. Ninth question. Frame 3 sentences using the preposition given below. So you have to write 3 sentences. After, during, below. Okay? So after. So we can write for any question you can write, any answer you can write. Let us play after 3 o'clock. Alright? Next one. For during. We play cricket during the lunch break. Fine? Okay. I found a chain below the table. Otherwise, a cat is lying below the bench. Something like that you can write. 10th question. Read the following instructions carefully and draw the picture. Okay, now listen carefully, children. You should only listen and you should only draw. First one. Draw a square in the middle of the box. So you have a rectangle box, no? So, ange middle, you should draw one square. Second one. Draw a triangle above the square. Square ku mela what you should do? One triangle. Mukkonam. Third one. Draw a rectangle beginning from the middle of the square and touching its bottom. Okay, in the square middle irundha you should draw one rectangle. Okay. Next one. Draw a small circle in the middle of the triangle. So triangle ku nadula oru circle. Vanjirucha? All right. Very good. Azhaga pannirukringa. Good children. So you are able to understand what is a preposition. Fine. So you can listen again, but do not copy just like that. Okay. Even if there is any error, no problem. So to err is human, to forgive divine. So அப்படி பர்ஃபெக்டாலாம் எழுதணும்னுலாம் இல்லை. சின்ன சின்ன தப்பெல்லாம் பண்ணி முடிச்சு வந்தால் தான் என்ன பண்ண முடியும், பர்ஃபெக்டாலாம் ஆக முடியும். ஸோ சின்ன சின்ன மிஸ்டேக்ஸை மைண்ட் பண்ண வேணாம். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், குட். டியர் சில்ட்ரன், a humble request, you can watch this again and again, listen to it again and again, but do not copy the answers exactly. This workbook is just for you. You have to write it on your own. உங்களுக்கு ஒரு கைடுக்காக, ஒரு ஹெல்ப்புக்காக ஐ எம் டூயிங் இட். ஸோ தட் டசன்ட் மீன் யூ கேன் காப்பி ஜஸ்ட் லைக் தட். கூடாது, அதில் எந்த யூஸும் இல்லை. நீங்கள் அதை யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கணுன்னாக்கா யூ லிசன், நோ ப்ராப்ளம். பட் வென் யூ take your pen and write in the book, don't watch this. Okay, write on your own. Deala? No deala. Deala? Appa pannalama? Fine children. If you want, I'll give you the explanation video, lesson note explanation, guided reading, book back exercise, everything I'll give you in the description box. You can listen. But my request is, do not copy just like that. Thank you children.